This is tutorial number 32, and it covers how to apply color within a part in Solidworks. To start off, let's open up the hinge 3, which is located on the DVD. Now, to apply color to a part in Solidworks, it's quite simple. All you have to do is click Edit Color, select the face that you want to apply color to. Let's make that face blue. Click OK. And now we've applied blue to that face. Now we can do multiple faces at one time, so let's click Edit Color, click that face, that face, that face, and that face, and let's make it red. Click Accept, and now we've colored all those faces at once. Now you're also able to take away the color on the part. Let's click the Edit Color, click the face you want to take the color away from, click Remove Color, click Accept, and now we've removed the color from that face. Now let's go ahead and remove the color from the rest of the faces. Click Remove Color, click OK, and now there's no color left on the part. Now to make the whole part one solid color, click Edit Color, click Hinge 3, and let's make it green. Click OK, and now the whole part has been colored green. Now there's also more colors that you can use, so let's click Edit Color, and instead of just these standard colors that you're able to choose from, you can choose one of these colors here that has a different combination of the red, green, and blue. So you're able to customize it to exactly what kind of color you want. So let's just click one of those colors, click Hinge 3, click OK, and there you go. And this concludes our tutorial on how to apply color within a part in Solidworks.